Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, I am your tutor and I share simple tutorials to help you get the most out of free design tools like Canva. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create beautiful tables in Canva step by step using free templates. So if you want to make a table for your report, social media post, planner or presentation, Canva makes it easy, super easy, even with the free plan. So grab your coffee, hit the like button and let's get started. So first of all, you just need to log into your account. First head over to canva.com and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up for free. It only takes a few seconds. Once you are logged in, click create a design at the top right, pick the format you want, for example A4 documentation, presentation or even a social media post depending on where you will use your table. So I will go with the options. I can choose a site, I will select the presentations, or I can go with the social media one. Then I will select the site. This one will be the Facebook post landscape and then go start with this one. So now you just need to search for table templates. So here let's find ready-made table templates. In the left sidebar, you just need to click onto the template or the design one. Just click over here and from that place you will find out the template. So let's search for table here. Let's click this one and let's search it here, or you can search for the chart and press enter. You will see tons of free and paid designs. Look for the ones with free tags. So here as you can see, the first one, the table, it is completely free. Then let's go and I can see a couple of more. So I think there is another one we have that. Let's find out this one and place it here. So this way you can find out more table in here. You just need to pick a design you like, for example a simple pricing table, comparison chart or planner page, and you just need to click the customize this template. This will open the template in the Canva editor. Once you're done, then you just need to customize the table tags. So once your template is open, you just need to click on any text box in the table to edit it. You can change heading, row titles and all data. For example, if it is a pricing table, you can update the plan, names, features and prices to match your business. Double check to edit text, then use the top toolbar to change the font size, color and alignment. So let's go and find out in pricing table. So here search for pricing table and let's say here you can see this is the pricing table. So let's find out the free one. I will go with this one. So here you just need to change all the thing, like let's go and this is the basic plan. Next one is the premium, and third one is gold, or we can say the one something else, or we can leave this one. And here we can change the text, website development, and you can change the text alignment, make it as it you want. This is the price list, and this way you can change all the necessary elements in here. You can change the price also. So once you feel that your customize is done, you can go to the next step and always double click to the edit text, then use the top toolbar to change the font size and color to alignment. Like this way, if you select this one and into the top toolbar, you can change the font, you can change the size, you can change the color, you can make it bold, you can make it italic, you can make it underline, you can make it strike through, you can make it uppercase also, as you can see it. Then you can make the alignment, then you can make it left. So you can do it this kind of a thing. Now you just need to adjust the table layout. So want to add more rows or columns? Here's a quick tip. Canva does not have a built-in table element like Word or Google Docs, but you can easily build or add this table using grids and shapes. To add new rows or columns, duplicate an existing row by selecting it, right clicking and click duplicate. Move it into the position and align it with the breast. Use the position tool in the top bar to space things evenly. If you are making your own table from scratch, go to the elements, search for the square or rectangle. You use shapes to build rows and column or manually. You can grow up, like here into that place you can find out couple of apps for make your tables also. Like here, if I search for the table, you can see there is a couple of table builder we will find out. If you not, then it is not available in here. Now if you go to the search element, you will find out the table options. You can see this is the chart option. So here similarly you can find out the table options also, like just click to the see all and you can drag and drop in here. So if you're making your own table from sketch, you just need to go to the elements, search for the square or rectangle I already mentioned, and use shapes to build rows and columns manually. You can grow up or columns together by selecting multiple elements, right clicking and choosing group. This makes moving or resizing them much easier. Now you just need to add colors and styling. Now let's make your table look good. Click on any shape background in the table to change its color. You can match your brand colors or use Canva suggest letters. Use bold or highlight colors for headings to make sections stand out. Keep text high contrast so it is easy to read. Dark text on a light background usually work best. Add your logo or brand elements if you are designing a branded pricing table or planner. Now you just need to add icons or images. It is totally an optional one. You can use it or you can leave it. So want to make your table more visual, you can add icons. Like you just need to click onto the elements. Once you come over here, let's go to the elements and go to the main page, and here just then search for icons like check marks, star or arrows. Let's search for the stars here, and here you will see drag them into the table to highlight important info like best feature or recommended tables or recommendable plans. You can also add small images if you want, for example product photos next to the items in your table. This will make your design more amazing and more engaging also. Next, let's talk about to download or share. So once your table looks perfect, it's time to download or share it. You just need to click to the share at the top right. Here you can download it as a PDF, PNG or JPG. Copy a link to share online. Like let me give you a practical one. Just click to the share and click to the download, and from that place you can choose your file format. It could be PNG, it could be JPG. Then select your file. Let's say we are going to download page 1. Just click on and the download will be completed or will be started. So here you can see our basic PNG already been downloaded and the design looks really amazing. So this way you can download. If it is a part of a presentation, you can present directly from Canva too. Let me give a bonus tip. Save as a template. Like if you plan to reuse your table, here is a pro tip. Save it as a custom template. How you can do it? You just need to go to the save and then click to the see all. Once you click over here, then here you will find out the template link. You can get as a template, but you need to be use the premium plan to make it. So this is sometimes useful for some people, but sometimes not. So you can let this away. And that's it for today. Now you know how you can easily create clean professional looking tables in Canva using free templates. No complicated tools needed. Thanks for watching the video.